I am Janhavi Khalkar from Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, here to ventilate the vibes of ravishing flights of exploring the unexplored. Come on, let's go, take a walk. Welcome to this new world of engineering to experience the band of technological training along with fun masti and gossips to chase the league of best in yourself. It's a matter of great pleasure and honor to let you all meet our leader, the principal of YCC, Dr. Uday Waghe sir.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Uday Waghe, Principal, Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, Nagpur. I welcome you all to YCC and congratulate each one of you for getting admission to most preferred institution in Central India.
We are here to meet the person who is behind the smooth run of the college. You will find him as soon as you enter the college and you cannot live without his signature. Let's meet the chairman of admission committee and registrar of this college, Dr. Praveen Dakhoe sir.
Dear students, greetings from YCC. Myself, Dr. P.K. Dakhoe, Chairman Admission Committee at YCC and Registrar of this institute. Any kind of documents you need from the college end or the documents which you have submitted to the college can be obtained with my permission. Similarly, for second year branch change, fees related queries, you can contact me at any point of time. I wish a great journey at YCC to all of you. Thank you very much.
College life will give you much more than just a degree. So get ready for all the adventures. Let's have a tour to the first year building of YCCE where you all would unfold your amazing trek. That is the Mathematics and Humanities Department of General Engineering.
Communication, the bulky word, has its own significance. If you are someone who is enthusiastic about developing your language and communicative skills, then this is the place for you, the Language Lab. The Language Lab facilitates language learning exercise which gives them more practice. If any students wants to learn or excel in English speaking skills, then Language Lab is the must visit place for them.
तो गाइज engineering के बाद startup करना है? Do you want to become an entrepreneur? But aspire for a proper training and guidance? Here you go! The Entrepreneurship Development Cell encourages and guides the students regarding business management through workshop, events and informative interactions. And if the worm clicks and the caterpillar endures, the YCCE Technology Business Incubator is ready opening its door for you all to help become an entrepreneur.
We believe in making almost anything in collaboration with the budding minds. A place that gives everyone the space and the technology to power the ideas, a playground to inventions to happen, possibilities for makers to make anything, an ecosystem for the creativity, and a co-working space for the like-minded people. Fab Lab offers creators the space and tools to digitally manufacture objects.
Embracing the kids' innovation is what you all are called for. If you have this KIDA growing into your mind, then welcome to the Innovation Gallery of ICC. The step taken by the institute to develop innovation ecosystem within the campus, which also sharpens students' analytical and presentation skills, which is a decisive factor in the corporate world. Unlocking your talent and development skills and transforming your potential into your performance, YCC Eagles is an excellent training and grooming platform for us to land into our Sapno Ki company with high packages. So let's meet the pioneer behind this exclusive idea, Professor Javed Seth.
Hello, welcome to the Club of Eagles of YCC. The Eagles of YCC is an exclusive training and grooming club of the students of YCC, where we will train you and groom you for job placements in dream companies with higher packages. The objective of this club is that we'll train you for around 375 plus hours, and it will be free of cost. And it will start right from the first semester, and it will go to the beginning of the seventh semester. It is a teamwork, it is a challenge. If you are ready to accept the challenge, we welcome you.
Guys, YCC is not just about trainings, placements, or SIF engineering. It also helps us cherish our hobbies and develop our skills. And believe me, our student activity dean understood the assignment. So let's meet Aniket Munshi sir.
This is Aniket Munshi, Dean of Student Activities. There are two major reasons why this institution is the most sought after institution of Nagpur. First is the placement records, as you all might be knowing. And the second thing is the student activities. This is the most vibrant institution in which we do conduct all the student activities throughout the year through various clubs of YCC. We do have almost around 16 different student clubs, which includes the technical clubs, the cultural clubs, the sports club, etc., which takes care of all the related activities throughout the year. And the most sought after event of YCC is Yash, that is the annual social gathering of YCC. Now, you have entered YCC for the first time in the first year. You all are really fortunate to have these opportunities to interact or to participate in all these kinds of activities. And I am very proud to inform you that last many years we have been performing excellent in all these competitions, even at the national levels.
YCC also has featured many mega events with live-in concerts of many popular artists like Neeraj Sridhar, KK, Palas Sen, Euphoria Band, Shali Setia, Parikrama Band, and many more.
The other thing which I would like to insist upon is the unique feature of YCC called Student Support Center, which takes care of all the problems and the queries of all the students of YCC. So again, at the end, I welcome you all and congratulate you for being in YCC.
Hello everyone. In May 2021, Yashwantrao Chavan College of Engineering organized its first ever TED event under the motto Ideas Worth Spreading, which opened YCC to a worldwide idea platform. TEDx YCC is an independently organized TED event which opens doors for students, speakers, and the institution as a whole towards a worldwide platform that is TED. Each year, speakers across the globe will get a platform at TEDx YCC purely organized by students of Yashwantrao Chavan College of Engineering.
Knock knock, are you the one who want to develop your leadership skills and communication skills and want to develop overall and emerge as leaders? Welcome here to YCC Verbalizers Toastmasters Club.
For the overall development of the students in all aspects of life, we have many engaging, entertaining and free clubs at YCCE open for all the students to enjoy and bloom their engineering life. These clubs are a major part of the co-curriculars, which includes IEEE Club, SAE Collegiate Club, Team Pragyastra, NSS Club, Rotaract Club, YCCE Media and Literature Club, Robotics Club, Sports Club, Poetry Club, Arts Club, Dance Club, Drama Club, Music Club, and many more.
Hi, this is Dr. Shaini Suraj, the psychological counselor at YCC. Keeping in mind the mental health of students at YCC, we have a counseling cell, which is a highly confidential cell. Students are given all the freedom to walk into the cell at any time to discuss about any problems which they face, either in their academic or their social or their personal lives. So we take good care of the students at YCC. Thank you.
In your life, there would be moments where you would get stuck and find it difficult to figure out what is right. Psychological Cell is there for your assistance. you can always meet Dr. Shaini Suraj ma'am, who is the psychological counselor for Megi Group of Institutes.
As a newbie, auditorium is a locus which introduces you to the vibe of cultural aspects of our institute. और फिर यहीं से तो आपकी engineering journey की शुरुआत होगी and you will enjoy every emotion here.
After all, what truly matters to us engineers are placements. So guys, let's hear some words from the Dean of Training and Placements, Dr. Gauri Dhopavkar.
Hello all, this is Dr. Gauri Dhopavkar, Dean Training and Placement. Right from its inception, the Training and Placement Cell of YCCE is fully instrumental in providing the career guidance to every entrant to fulfill their career objectives. The Training and Placement Cell has a complete power-packed package of more than 350 hours which guides the students to enhance their skills for communication, aptitude and technical knowledge. Apart from the training, the cell strengthens the industry-institute relationship by organizing and coordinating frequent industry visits, industry training, industry projects through established MOUs. We facilitate students to become industry-ready professionals by providing semester-long and year-long internships at UG and PG levels. More than 100 companies visit YCCE every year with the intent of recruitment. The highest package offered for this season is 14 lakh CTC.
There's so much more to tell you about YCC. Like Training and Placement Department recently signed an MOU to keep students abreast with the latest technology trends. YCC has initiated a game design course in association with Nordic Mojo, a company which has Finland game experts as its partners. We have well-equipped Center of Excellence in each department for providing the best experience to the students for their project, research and many other works. This facility has high-end top-notch PCs with NVIDIA GPU which you can access from your home as well. We have internship programs with the companies. Friends, after all that matters is free ka Wi-Fi, right? And the college provides Wi-Fi facility throughout the campus in every department. तो बस और क्या चाहिए? Friends, studying in an institute is a pure joy. The library of YCCE is a peaceful gathering to enhance your learning experience and brighten your minds. And did you know, it is the largest institutional library in central India.
So now, let's visit a place. No, not just a place. A home for outsiders. हाँ, YCC का hostel. यहीं पर ना सबसे ज़्यादा यादें बनेंगी. To take care of your overall growth and development, YCC has its own gym khana. The gym for each and every student to work on your good physique.
The college provides a best conveyance transport facility to students from every corner of Nagpur, and we assure you that your bus mates would be your first college friends. Canteens are the blooming place to remove your monotony and your hunger. It is a treat for all. The best of the ideas always flow in the space like canteens, right? Which gives you a lot of enjoyment. We have 2 college canteens and 4 cafeterias awaiting for you all. It enhances your taste buds and increases your appetite. Hostelites would relish the tadka of canteen food.
Oh hi! Hope you all enjoyed the video. And we hope that this video made you more enthusiastic to enter the college premises. Thank you very much, but this is just the beginning.